Introducing the 2022 Volvo XC60 B4 Core 5. Door auto in sleek black. This luxurious estate, or Jeep, is equipped with a powerful 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission for a smooth ride. Experience ultimate comfort with features like air conditioning, cruise control and satellite navigation. Stay connected with Bluetooth phone and media player capabilities. Safety is a top priority with multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. Not only does this vehicle provide top-notch security features, but it also offers a stylish design with roof rails and a spoiler. Plus, enjoy added convenience with a remote boot release and power boot close. This XC60 has been thoroughly inspected with a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Contact us today at michaelmoore.ie for more information. Drive in luxury and style with the 2022 Volvo XC60 B4 Core 5 Door Auto.